Greetings, families and friends. It's your favorite farmer man again, ladies and gentlemen. And I have a special plant at this point right here. Everyone knows this plant in Jamaica. If you want to detox or to get some bitters in your body, ladies and gentlemen, this is the famous plant they call Cerassie. Cerassie plant is a plant like you see is a vine here running on a string, having these beautiful yellow and sometimes orange flowers. The fruits actually are a small prickly looking fruit like this here that sometimes you can, as a child we usually take out the red out of it and eat it. Yagan tea. So this is Cerassie. Cerassie is good for blood purification, good for people who have high blood pressure, how travel with diabetes. And you can identify the plant by its beautiful yellow, sun-like, flower, and its leaves, beautiful wide leaves. This one right here is on my fence. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to remove it, inoculate it. So I wanted to take a moment before I kill it and show you what a Cerassie plant looks like, ladies and gentlemen. As you see in the background here, I am the Crocus bug farmer. Real is real. You have to eat organic. Remember, food is the center of the web of life, and if you don't eat your food as your medicine will become your food. And number one want to eat medicine for food, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone want to enjoy their favorite delicious food. And I'm saying it's not what you eat, it's actually how much of what you eat. So make sure that you're eating good, healthy, organic food, fruits, drinking the natural herbs, using the spice like we do in Jamaica to improve your life. I'm Rastafari soldier. It's not a choice. This is what I do. Okay? This is what I do. We're looking at a beautiful process right now. This is a cross-pollination process right here being done by Mother's Nature, best farmer, the beautiful honeybee, ladies and gentlemen. So I want enough to know, say, big up on yourself. It's a natural thing, it's a natural thing, organic thing. Everything is real. Real is real, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, as you can feel. Right now, we're looking at some beautiful, naturally organic cane that has been here for a minute, and we want to clear up some of it. But look at this, people. Look at this beautiful Cerassie. Now, as you see, a lot of my banana tree has been removed. I don't know why, but my mom's coming sometimes, she take out stuff. So big up on yourself. We're looking right here at a nice coconut tree that we planted. This is a beautiful coconut tree. Every time I come, I get nice coconuts off of it. Also that one, a big cup. That one is a big cup. Yeah. I have some suckers that I need to transplant also. Bless up on yourself, family and friends. Yeah. Over here we have a couple of them. We got 4 coconuts. 5 coconuts on there.